Amit Kumar from DPS Muzaffarnagar, and today I will discuss about the redox reaction. So, first to understand what is the criteria of this reaction. Redox reaction also having the two parts. One is oxidation and another one is reduction. One is oxidation and the another one is reduction. So now I will discuss about first oxidation. So oxidation also having the 2 points. First is addition of oxygen atom. Addition of oxygen atom is known as oxidation. So students, first to understand, first point is that addition of oxygen atom is known as oxidation, and the second one is removal of hydrogen atom is known as oxidation. So this is the 2 points of oxidation and same points for the reduction. But we remember reduction also reverse of oxidation. Here in this case addition of oxygen atom is known as oxidation, but in this case removal of oxygen atom is known as reduction. And the another point is addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen atom is known as reduction. So for the reduction also we have the 2 points. First one is removal of oxygen atom and the another one is addition of hydrogen atom. But for these reactions we have to discuss about one by one by the reaction. Like the first point is here Mg plus O2. So it will prepare, it will give Mg. So in this case you can understand any species add oxygen itself, then it will provide the oxidation step. And another point is that removal of hydrogen atom is known as oxidation. So here like example H2 plus Cl2, it will provide 2HCl plus here H2S plus Cl2. So simply sulfur. Clear? For reduction, so first example is like CuO plus C and it will give Cu plus Co. And second one point, here addition of hydrogen atom is known as reduction. Second point is addition of hydrogen atom is known as reduction. Clear? So these are the examples for the oxidation and reduction. So how to find which one is oxidizing agent or oxidizing agent or oxidized substance? So for the board purpose you will understand the oxidized substance, reduced substance, oxidizing agent or reducing agent. So for these, among all the topics, all the students are very confused, but I have one trick, and after that you will easily find the oxidized substance or reduced substance in a easy way. So the trick is that The trick is that for the oxidation, that means increase the oxidation state is known as oxidation. Clear? But in the case of reduction, remember, decrease the oxidation state is known as reduction. So now students, first you understand what is the meaning of oxidation state. What I am saying is, first you understand what is the meaning of oxidation state. So oxidation state is the charge of species. So now I will discuss about the oxidation state. So now I will discuss about the oxidation state. So simply oxidation state is the charge of species, like here H2. So what is the oxidation state of hydrogen in this case? So simply take X, any species, and you can find the oxidation state of particular species. So here how many hydrogen is there? 2. And take X equal to. So sin 2 into charge because we can find. So 3 into X equal to how many charge is there around us? Nothing is there. That means take 0. So here X equal to, that means 0 by 2. You will get X equal to 0 because 0 by 2 means 0 only. So here you can easily find the charge, that means you will get the particular oxidation state of given species. But in this case, like H2, if you find the charge or oxidation state of oxygen atom, then take also X for the oxygen. So here how many hydrogen is there? 2. And for the hydrogen, how much charge is there? So we remember charge is plus 1. And for the next atom, take plus and X, how much charge is there around this of the molecules or compound equal to 0. So here 2 plus 2 plus X equal to 0, that means X equal to 0 minus 2, because here plus 2, that means 0 minus 2, that means we get X equal to minus 2. So in this case, you find the oxidation state here. But in the reaction part, like H2 plus Cl2, how much? 2HCl will form. So simply take X. So simply for the single type of species, we can consider the charge of 0, because if suppose here more than 2 atoms is there, also we get X equal to 0. So here also 2 is there, so simply take 0. Chlorine also 0, and hydrogen charge is plus 1 and chlorine charge is minus. So now time for the oxidizing substance or reducing substance. So now we can consider reactant to product variation. So here hydrogen charge is how much? 0, and here charge is plus. So one variation is there, 0 to plus. That means here increase the oxidation state, because 0 is also lesser than plus. So that's why variation is there. So the points will clear here, increase the oxidation state of hydrogen atom. So these parts also known as oxidation. So this part also known as oxidation part, and here 0 to -1. So that means in this case 0 to -1, that means decrease the oxidation state, which is reduction. So now first point, that is oxidized substance. And the second one point is reduced substance. And the more 2 points is there, reducing agent. And oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. So now this is the oxidation part and this is the reduction part. Clear? So for the oxidizing substance or reduced substance, so students, we remember we also take part on the reactant parts. This is the reactant part and this is the product part. So for the oxidizing substance, we take only reactant part. Reactant part means how much variation is here for the H2 to HCl. Clear? So this is the point of oxidized substance. So here oxidized substance is H2 only. And this is the reduction, that means Cl2. This is reduced substance. So students, also please be remember, for the reducing agent, both are equal. That means which species having the oxidizing substance also known as reducing agent. So oxidizing substance is H2. So also reducing agent is H2. And the reduced substance also known as oxidizing agent, that is Cl2. So this is the part of our type of reaction, and we already discussed about the oxidized substance, reduced substance, reducing substance, oxidizing agent. Clear? So students, you can calculate by this method. Either you can calculate the initially 2 points and after that we get all the answer. So these are the criteria for the board. Also give this type of question. So students, be happy and stay home, and thank you.